Restoration is often framed as a cost. It is not. It is a labor engine. Degraded land is capital intensive. Restored land is labor intensive. Especially at the start, this matters. Earth restoration creates jobs where automation cannot replace humans. Planning, planting, monitoring, maintenance, education. These are local jobs, non-exportable, resilient. Unlike extractive industries, restoration labor compounds value instead of exhausting it. Each hectare restored reduces future disaster costs. Floods, fires, crop failures. This is deferred labor savings. Restoration shifts employment from crisis response to prevention. It also reverses rural decline. When land becomes productive again, people stay. Communities stabilize. Migration pressure decreases. This is not charity. It is infrastructure employment. Unlike construction, restoration does not end. Land requires stewardship. That creates long-duration work with generational continuity. The restoration economy is not centralized. It is distributed. Millions of small projects outperform a few massive ones. Governments often miss this because they measure success in output, not resilience. A restored landscape is an employer. A degraded one is a liability. Earth restoration is not just environmental repair. It is economic reorganization.